Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by installing the runtime that lets Google Authenticator run on your PC. Use BlueStacks or LD Player on Windows or Mac OS. Once installed, you'll sign into Google Play within the emulator. Make sure you've backed up existing two-factor codes on your phone. This prevents lockouts. Download the Authenticator app inside the emulator and grant necessary permissions. This step sets the environment so the app behaves like it does on a phone, which is essential before adding any accounts. Once the Authenticator is running, you'll add each account one at a time. On the website or service you're securing, choose two-factor authentication and select Authenticator App Setup. A QR code or secret key appears. In the emulator, use the app scan function or manually enter the secret key. Some emulators let you import an image of the QR code. After adding, type the 6-digit code back into the website to verify. This links the PC app to your account and starts time-based codes. Finalize by testing every account's code to ensure successful logins. Enter the generated codes on the corresponding sites and save backup or recovery codes to a secure location like a password manager. This prevents lockouts. If a code does not work, first sync the emulator's clock to internet time and ensure the app uses time-based one-time passwords. Then retry. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account or reinstall the emulator. Keep one trusted recovery method outside the PC for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.